below guys. Want to learn bubble sort in a simple way? Let's start then. So, first of all, we will see what is sorting. It is a process of ordering a list of elements from a collection in some kind of order. It makes searching easier by arranging data sequentially. Sorting can be done in ascending or descending order. Now, let's move towards bubble sort. Does the algorithm really has bubbles? Jokes apart. Bubble sort is simplest sort. It arranges data in ascending and descending order. Bubble sort works by repeatedly swapping the adjacent elements if they are in wrong order. It compares the adjacent elements and swap their positions if they are not in the intended order. Confused? Let's see an example. Here, 2 is less than 4, hence it is not swapped. Next, 4 is greater than 1, so their positions are swapped. Now, 4 is less than 5, hence not swapped. Again, 3 is less than 5, hence positions are swapped. Now, the largest element is at the end of the list. Again, 1 is less than 2, hence swapped. Now, 4 is greater than 3, hence, again positions are swapped. And finally, the elements are in the ascending order. And the array is now sorted. Let's see one more example. Now, let's see the algorithm. First of all, let me clarify that bubble sort algorithm is used for array data structure. Begin bubble sort list. Here, all the elements in the array will be traversed. For all elements of list. Here, the for loop will be implemented from first element to the last element of the array. Now, if the element I is greater than the I+1 element, the elements will be swapped. That is, the I+ will become I and the I will become I+1. Now, the if statement will be ended here. There will be end of for loop here. And now, the new list will be returned. End of bubble sort function. Now, we will see the time and space complexity of the bubble sort algorithm. First, time complexity. Best case time complexity of the algorithm is O of n comparisons and O of 1 swaps. Here, n is the number of elements to be sorted. average case time complexity will be O of n square comparisons and O of n square swaps. Worst case time complexity is O of n square comparisons and O of n square swaps. Now, second is space complexity. The total worst-case space complexity is O of n while the auxiliary worst-case space complexity is O of 1. Now, let us see the advantages and disadvantages of bubble sort algorithm. Advantages. Bubble sort algorithm is simple to write. It is easy to understand. It takes only few lines of code. The data is sorted in place, so there is little memory overhead. Once sorted, the data is in memory and it is ready for processing. It can detect already sorted array in first pass with time complexity of O of 1. It is a stable sort as it doesn't change the relative order of elements with equal values. Disadvantages. It takes large amount of time to sort the elements. The average's time increases almost exponentially as the number of elements increases. Applications of bubble sort. First, arranging the list of students according to their enrollment numbers. Some of the real-time examples are